how to fix Android.Process.Acore has actually stopped. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix Android.Acore.Process has actually stopped. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. So sometimes when you get the Android.Process.Acore has actually stopped, we have to understand why this happens. This happens when you try to update your device and then the update fails, or maybe maybe you bought a new phone, you restarted your device for some kind of error, you're just having this error, or maybe you uninstall some of the Android phone's most important applications, which is the default applications, and that's why you're facing this issue. So in order to actually fix this issue, and if it's bugging you too much, there are a couple of things that we can do. The very first thing I want you to check is to simply restart your Android phone. So when you're having this issue, just try to restart your Android phone and see if that fixes the issue. You might need to press the volume buttons. In some case, you might only need to press the power buttons depending upon what combinations you have. After that, what you want to do is you simply want to quickly open up settings. Once you open up settings, you want to scroll and then look for the application called software update. So as you can see, software update, just check if your Android device has some kind of update available. Go to download and install. If there is any type of updates available, at least I want you to go ahead and then update it to the latest version. What updating does is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version of its software. Now if this doesn't help, the only thing I can actually recommend you do is to simply restart your device. So open up your about phone section, then over here you can simply go to the option called reset. Once you go to reset, before we try to reset all settings, just try to reset network settings, accessibility settings, or try to reset all settings as well. If that doesn't help, then go to factory data reset. Factory data reset will basically reset all of your Android and erase it. Now you have to go ahead and then open up everything from the start. So just go to reset and then see if that solves your problem. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.